Hi friends, so I'm gonna do a spring cleaning. As you can tell by the title, we are going through first bathroom. I want to organize all my makeup and all my skincare products, pretty much everything. I mentioned this in my vlog. I also want to go through my closet, my clothing, you guys. I want to go through my clothing, the clothing that I have like put away, but also like all of it. I just want to go through all of it. I want to make more room in the closet. I take up half of our closet, but also on top of that we have this walk-in closet, and I put a lot of clothes in there. So I thought this video would be perfect to do with you guys since I've been meaning to do this for a while. First, we're gonna tackle the bathroom because I need to organize that. So we're gonna do the bathroom first, makeup, skincare, everything. So we're gonna start over here with this closet. So we have this bathroom closet over here. This is what it's looking like right now. This is what we're gonna fix. So a lot of the stuff is mine because I do have more things than Caesar does. So a lot of it is gonna be organized like by me, obviously. That's why I want to do this with you guys. So we're gonna start at the bottom here, and we're gonna go, you know, several days with this, but we're just gonna get started with what we can today. I need to decide what is gonna be what. So what is this gonna be? Usually this is like my everyday makeup. Right now it's like overdone itself. Like there's way too much stuff in there that is no longer like just my everyday makeup. So we're gonna organize. I'm not gonna touch that one probably because that's Caesar's, and a lot of the stuff up there is also Caesar's, so I'm gonna see, probably not gonna touch that stuff, just mine. This I no longer use. Like, this used to be for the cotton balls or cotton rounds, but since I bought a little container because it came with my reusable pads, I don't think I'm gonna use this anymore. So I think I'm gonna put this in my donate pile. That's gonna be empty because definitely when we get more toilet paper, it's gonna go down there. So it's totally fine. I brought out a little donation bag, which I put the little container in, and then more of a trash bag. So let's start over here, probably with this one first. There's so much stuff in there. This would be really useful for me to put all of these little hair ties that I have right here. So I think that's what I'm actually gonna do for now. I'm gonna put all of them in here because they just keep falling off. So I'm just gonna put that and get rid of that. I also have like smaller ones, and I originally got these to like do more different hairstyles and stuff. And I do still use them sometimes, just not as often. I have this one basket of products that I've always done this. It's like whenever like I'm done with the product, then I'll grab a product from here. So I have one basket, which is this one, of products that I have not tried yet, that I'm waiting to finish what I have now in order to try it. So it's like a lot of stuff that, like, for example, these and these, I just don't. I'm basically waiting. I'm waiting to use these actually for my friend's wedding, and I'll give one of them to somebody who needs them when we're getting ready, since we're gonna be bridesmaids. So I'm gonna go through this one real quick and see what I can use right now. And kind of take it out from here and see. This is a primer. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm actually low on primer, so I might take this as well. This is a heat protectant, but I do have a heat protectant right now, so I'm gonna save that one for there. I have lotion. Okay, so I brought out my makeup little baskets. I have two. I'm going to figure out here. So I think what I want, at least what I believe I want, is one basket to be my everyday makeup. Then I want to pack in this bag my everyday to go makeup. So if I'm gonna take this with me to do my makeup somewhere else. And then here, I don't know yet. So I think here's gonna go the rest. So I have so far my go-to makeup and then also my everyday makeup. I'm gonna add this little beauty blender in here because I do wanna use beauty blender. Here I have to now sort my makeup that is extra that I'm gonna actually use sometimes. So let's pick, because I definitely have a few of these, and whatever I don't fit in here is gonna go in my basket of products for later when I run out. This is so much better. Okay, let me walk you through. First of all, up here, so right here I have just stuff that I haven't used yet, or stuff that, you know, I already have blush or whatever, so it's down there. So this is all, for the most part, it's new. I also have that Jaclyn Hill palette right there because I don't usually use that, so that's why it's up there. Down here is my everyday makeup for here when I'm getting ready at home. This little pouch is my everyday makeup that I showed you guys for when I'm on the go, so I can just take this and it's ready to go. Over here I decided to change it up and made it my little skincare basket. So I have my soap that I use to wash my face all the time, my rose water that I pulled out, and this little brush that I'm going to use, this facial brush. I'm going to start using it, my little face towel, and these right here, like my rollers. Below those baskets are two different baskets. So this one right here is more for hair products. So I have, for example, like my curler. I have a lot of hair stuff in there for now as my little storage. I think I might just keep that for my little storage. I do have a random like self tanner, so I'm just gonna keep that there with my nail polishes remover, but the rest is pretty much hair related. So my dry shampoo, my hairbrush and stuff like that. So hair clips back there. So all that is in there. So in this basket, I have some peer related stuff, contact lenses, super just more medical stuff related. So in there, and then here we have the toilet paper. So this is what I have at the bottom until we get more toilet paper and this fills up. Over here, I have little samples, skincare related samples that I want to try. So I have all those up there. Here we have Poopery and my contact lens backup, which I only use this when I'm like really falling asleep and I don't want to deal with putting it on that one. If you wear contact lenses, you probably know. Right here is my little teeth whitening strips as well as like my eye masks. Over here it just goes more to nail polish, so all those little nail polishes are my nail polishes. Down here is more my morning slash night a little bit routine with face masks, eye masks, so all that. Over here is really my night routine. I don't really have a lot of products, but I always use this for my contact lenses at night. Always use my argan oil and my Hydro Glow and eyelash serum, so that's right there on reach. So these are makeup brushes related, these are hair products. Down there is my spray, and these are just makeup wipes that I got as a sample, and this right here is my simple makeup wipe remover. It is a different day. We're gonna get rid of some clothing. So remember that one time I you know, organized the closet? So this happened. I have my two bags. So one is kind of like it's too old, I'm gonna get rid of it. The other one is like my donation bag right here. So first, I think I'm gonna walk you through a couple things, but I think I might speed it up at some point as well. I think I'm gonna get rid of these. These I've had for a while, and they actually have a stain from the dryer. Like, I have no idea how to get this out. No idea. So I'm gonna get rid of these. I don't think these are donation because they're literally stained, but I don't know. Is it donation? I don't know. I think those I will get rid of. The one thing that I am like way too obsessed with is sweatshirts. I buy sweatshirts like all the time, so that's why I always feel like I have no clothes to wear, because I mainly am always buying sweatshirts and I have way too many sweatshirts. It's hard to like get rid of them, and I need to decide which ones I'm gonna keep, which ones I'm not. This one for sure, you guys have seen me wear a lot. I love it so much still. It's just like my favorite. I love it a lot. I could not get rid of this, so we're gonna keep this. This one right here, I wear it all the time, but it's just like, it's a Chicago sweatshirt. It looks like that. It's not my favorite. It's pretty worn out now, to be honest. I think this is one that I can definitely get rid of, actually. Okay, it is Wednesday, March 30th, so almost April. This is, I think, possibly the third day that I'm working on this. So I actually filmed the intro for you guys now because I never did the intro and the actual day of. So that's why I look the same. Okay, we're gonna actually go back to the closet, finish that. I just filmed a little try on video, and I kind of decided what I'm gonna keep versus what I'm not. So that also, in that aspect, we're decluttering a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. We're making progress here. So these so far I have decided to keep. So these are, I don't really have any jeans, honestly. I have like 2 pairs. But after this, I think I might go shopping because I do need jeans that fit me, and those are just t-shirts to actually wear out. These are more PJ t-shirts. I'm going through my sweatshirts right now. I'm gonna keep this one. I think, actually, did I go through my sweatshirts already? I don't even know because I have like everything on the floor, pretty much. I have this thing in the closet where they're like cubes, like cubicles, so I'm trying to make use of that too. So we're gonna go over there in a little bit and tackle that. Okay, moving on to this right here. So I have this right here, so I want to go through this, and this will actually be the last that I have to go through because this is my only half. Oh, and we have to go through those two as well. See what we actually want to keep, because we don't actually want to keep everything.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah.
So in here I put some more summery stuff and travel like bags and stuff, so all that is in there. This right here is actually more winter stuff, so this one, because I don't want to get rid of it, but it's probably I might not wear it, so and then I also have sheets and more dressy stuff, so I have those in there. So I'm gonna put these 2 away. Okay, so these are the 2 bags of donations I have. So this one, which is crazy, we're also getting rid of that red blanket we've had for a while, and this right here. I still have to separate between these bags, but this is what I'm getting rid of, which is crazy. I didn't think I would have this much. So I do still have a couple things in the laundry, so that's why it's looking kind of empty, but this is mainly what it's gonna look like. So I have my sweatshirts here, and then more sweatshirts here. Here's more hoodies, and then one like half sweatshirt, and then over there I have 1 sweater and 2 cardigans. Over here are my jeans and pants. These right here are all long sleeve tops that I can wear out to work or whatever, but to wear out. These right here are all t-shirts that I can wear out. These are more tank tops that I can wear out, and that's pretty much the idea of what this is looking like. This is a little sneak peek of my bridesmaid dress that I picked up a while ago. But I didn't get rid of any jackets because I love all my jackets. Literally just love them all, and I'm so happy about them. Don't want to get rid of them because I wear them. On the first bin, I have like more intimates, so like bras and stuff like that. The second one is my sports bras. So I thought I would put this within reach so that I could have it right there, so whenever I want to work out, and it's basically the first thing I can grab. And over here, I have my workout tops and this workout sweater, so also within reach. Down here is where all my leggings and my workout shorts are, so I've gathered a few amount of that. I think that might be the most of one thing I have. Over here, my PJ shirts, I switched it over here because I think this will work out better. And down here, all I have is my sweatpants and PJ pants. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.